Hello guys, I'm cooking beef with some vegetables, and this is cubed beef already cut into cubes. I bought this from the store and it's not that expensive. I'm using about a pound and a half, and a pound was like $6. But I am going to serve it with tofu, and I posted another video on how to cook tofu in the air fryer. But anyway, this is a little secret how to make your beef tender, very tender. You don't need any special ingredients for that. The only thing you have to do is boil it for a few minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes in hot boiling water, and then remove it. And do not dump that water because we are gonna reuse it. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm preparing my vegetables, onions, carrots, tomatoes, stuff like that. So first I'm frying or sauteing actually my carrots, and when they are a little bit soft, I'm gonna put onions and tomatoes. I like to cut onions into circles because I think they taste better. This is just my opinion. Anyway, now it's time to add our meat. After we boiled the meat, I fried it for about 15 minutes on a frying pan. So boiled, then fried, then cooked in a pot with vegetables. Very basic seasoning, salt, pepper, nothing special. Here is the, can we call it bouillon or beef broth, and we are going to add this broth to our meat and let it cook for about an hour. I'm adding some green onions, garlic, and parsley from the garden, and a little bit of corn starch. Not much. I'm gonna let it cook for about an hour, and you will not believe how tender the meat is. Bay leaves, I try to put bay leaves with almost everything. This is the final product, and I'm gonna serve it with tofu that was air fried, and here you go. This is delicious, amazing, quick, simple dinner. Please try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.